Okay, what is public health and safety? Public health and safety in general defines as a prospect in restricting and regulating the environment which could lessen the health of and well-being that could possibly impact individuals harmlessly. This domain is enormously needing a lot of discipline and environmental hazards. One of the basic needs for this to be implemented was to start services which provide medical health and symposiums about safety, health, both physically and mentally for individuals, especially for the poor. There are a lot of departments who provide forums regarding health and safety. Therefore, this was to motivate everyone to attend and take it seriously. Let's let's take this symposium as a tool and to grab the opportunity for us to be educated as an individual and as a citizen. But let me start for these simple questions. How relevant does public health and safety nowadays? In fact, many people experience hardships in life. Yes, it is normal to people to experience such, but how can we live our life effectively and efficiently? Who are the ones who most likely affected regarding public health and safety? Of course, many of us might say the people who lives in the poor society, or should I say, third world country. Public health and safety was the way to empower people and the community. Empowerment, first of all, this refers to the process which people gain control over the factors and decisions that shape their lives. Just to conclude, coordinating care and support can also address many of these inequities and give each of them a happier, healthier, safer, and longer life. Just to correlate to the present times, we live now in a pandemic in state of COVID-19. But now, people should be aware about our environment, even politically, environmentally, and economically. This could also implies individuals to live our life better through good actions and being resourceful effectively as well. Just like what science and technology works their roles efficiently, it will be always be dependent on how people should be on how people took our life educated. With the help of science and technology nowadays, people should be educated by means of public health and safety towards the life of what we face currently. Pandemic puts individuals a threat against our life in a particular society. Therefore, by means of educating ourselves towards public health and safety, let's not forget to take actions, even through a simple ways in helping not only for us but also for the environment. In addition, environment is very important to our lives. This is the one what we are mostly make it as what we cherish nowadays. But through the help of science and technology, there were a lot of calamities and hazards were being done all around the world. Just to conclude and to add up, people should always be take this as a serious question for us. How or however, what would be the next step for us to help in our nature, to help in our society, and even help ourselves? Because for me, self awareness would be a general rule for individuals to attain this public health and safety seriously. And that's all.